How to download and use ChatGPT. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's quick video, I'll teach you guys how you can use ChatGPT. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that we'll do is open up our web browser. Now you don't actually need to download the app itself to be able to use ChatGPT. So after you're on your web browser, simply search for chatgpt.com and hit enter. After that, you will be on ChatGPT's page. Now this is what ChatGPT looks like. On the left side panel, you'll see ChatGPT. You can explore GPTs, your library, and there you will see all of your history. Now, if you don't have your history, it's completely all right. You're new to this. On the top right corner, you will see your profile where you can simply tap on it and you will be able to customize your ChatGPT, go to your settings, get your plans, or even log out of your account. So first, you will actually need to log in. It's really simple. So log in first. You can log in using your Google as well. So after you log in, here you can simply start talking to ChatGPT. As you can see, you can ask anything here, like what is your favorite food. You can ask whatever you want and yeah, it'll just give you an answer. Now this is an AI and you can ask anything and yeah, they will give you the answer. So after you ask anything, you can even change their model here. You can just hover over here and there you will see this option where you can tap on switch model and you can choose which model you want to use. Now there are different models such as GPT-4o mini, which is faster for everyday task, whereas o4 mini, which is fastest as advanced reasoning and great for most tasks, which is this one right here. Now you can simply tap on auto, select auto to just change around with it itself. So yeah, that's really easy. Now if you want to edit your question here, what you can do is you can simply hover over here, tap on edit message and edit your message here. Now you can simply change this question and if you tap on send, it'll give you an answer right here. So this is basically how you use this. Now if you want to use another completely new ChatGPT or completely new page, you tap on this icon right here that says new chat. So tap on it and you will be on this new interface. Now here you can simply close your sidebar as well and start talking here. And yeah, it's same. So here you can see you can also add multiple files. You can upload files from your computers as well. And you can use this temporary chat to enable your temporary chat here. Now this won't appear in history as it says right here, and it won't update ChatGPT's memory as well. So yeah, it will just get deleted. And yeah, you can use this if you are concerned about your safety as well. And yeah, that's basically how you use ChatGPT. It's that simple. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.